Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'll be showing you how I did my Toy Story nails inspired by the new Toy Story 4 movie. So I have my nails filled, prepped, and ready to go. And the first color we're going to use is Madam Glam's Aqua Blue. It is this beautiful sky blue color, so it's going to make a perfect background for the Toy Story sky scene. So I'm going to paint this on my pinky finger. Then I'm going to go in with Madam Glam's Perfect White. This is going to be the background for the Buzz nail, and so I'm going to paint this on my ring finger. Now I'm going to go in with Madam Glam's Mimosa. This is a beautiful bright yellow color. I'm going to use this as a background for Woody as well as for the ball representing Toy Story. So I'm going to paint this on my middle finger and my thumb. And now I'm going to go in with Pure Sky's CEO. This is a brown shade. It's going to be a perfect background for Woody's boot. So I'm going to paint this on my pointer finger. And now I'm going to go in and do a second coat of all of the colors. And I do go in and do a third coat on a few of the colors that were a little bit see-through. So now that we have all the base colors down, I'm going to go in and do some nail art. So I will be using several different brushes from Midi Burns, the different detailer brushes, as well as a long striper brush. This is just a random one that I have. So for this video, I do kind of jump around from nail to nail and then go back and add more designs as I'm like flash curing in between. So we're going to start off with a pinky nail, and I'm going to add some clouds with the Madam Glam's Perfect White. Here I'm going to go in with Light Elegance's Tennis Anyone. It is a super neon lime green color, and we're going to use this for Buzz's like upper chest area, whatever that's called. So I use a detailer brush to do the outline for this area, and then I go in with a regular gel brush to fill it in. Now I'm going to go in with Pure Sky's Amulet. This is a pretty royal purple color, and I'm going to create some of the stripes on Buzz's outfit. I'm going to start adding Woody's vest using Madam Glam's Perfect White. So now using Madame Glam's Amour, I'm going to go in and create the red buttons on Buzz, as well as the red stripes on Woody's shirt. I use Madame Glam's Aqua Blue for some more of the buttons on Buzz, and then I go in with Madame Glam's Lost in the Woods to create the green button. Here I'm taking Madame Glam's Aqua Blue and creating that blue stripe on the ball, and then I'll go in with Madame Glam's Amour to create the red star. And I'm going to go in and do all of my black outlining. I will be using black acrylic paint for this, so this is the one I like to use. And for the last nail, I'm going to go in and write Andy, just like on the bottom of Woody's boot. And so the N here is backwards. I did have to look it up. It's backwards on the shoe, in case anyone noticed. I have not before, but it is backwards. So now that we have all of the designs down, I'm going to go in and do some top coat. So I will be using my Young Nail stain resistant top coat, and I will be doing double top coats on all of the nails. And so here is how my nails came out. They are so cute. They definitely scream Toy Story. You see them and you immediately know Toy Story. Toy Story is such a classic Disney movie, and I've done a lot of Disney nails over the year, but I had to look through all of my photos. I've never done Toy Story nails, so I thought this was the perfect time with the new movie coming out. I have not seen it yet, but if you guys enjoyed it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!